soap making, liquid soap making. Here, the first chemical to be used is sulfuric acid. On the board, we have 1/4 of a liter. 1/4 of a liter. And here, this container is 50 cl, which is half a liter. So we just need half of it. We got what we wanted. So, you can see it's a brown viscous liquid, as I said earlier. Look at it. Now we have the next chemical, which is Texapon. I told you we need 1/8 kg. And in this nylon we have 1/4, which is a quarter. All we need to do is divide it into 2. And we pour. And we'll mix. You mix till it is evenly distributed. You can neither see any traces of Texapon again. Then the next chemical to be added is nitrosol. But nitrosol has to be mixed in water separately before adding to the mixture. This is how it's done. We need 1/32 kg of nitrosol, but we have 1/8 here. We need 1/16 of nitrosol, but we have 1/8 here. So all we need to do is pour half of this in this bucket and mix with 2 liters of water. You can watch. You keep stirring as you pour the nitrosol so that it doesn't have lumps. After mixing for about 30 seconds, you pour directly into the mixture of Texapon and sulfuric acid and continue stirring. At this point, we need to mix caustic soda and soda ash, respectively. We have to measure 1/32 of caustic soda. Caustic soda looks like sugar. So we have to measure out 1/32 kg, which is so minute, very little. Caustic soda is usually very hot. Then we also do the same to soda ash. Then you mix the caustic soda till it becomes as clear as water. Soda ash usually have particles below, so you cannot totally mix it. But caustic soda will dissolve completely in water. You can see it's getting clearer. Before it was more whitish, but now it's getting closer and clearer to water, which shows how far it has mixed. Now we can pour the caustic soda into our solution. Then we also add the soda ash to the solution. So we mix. At this stage, the soap has become thicker. Once you have caustic soda, soda ash, Texapon, and sulfuric acid, soap is already formed. But you have to spice it up to get a better quality. Now we have STPP, which I call sodium tripolyphosphate. It helps in softening soap, softening the water I mean. So you can add little quantity of it. It has no specific measurement. It doesn't get too much in soap and it doesn't get too small. So you mix together. Continue mixing till you feel its thickness. You can see it's already forming. Now we had SLS, which I call sodium lauryl sulfate. It is a foaming agent. That's its major function. And major and only function, it allows the soap to foam. So we just add some quantity of SLS. It looks like rice, but in some cases you see some that looks like powder, that is powderish. But for this case, we have the one that looks like rice, but they all do the same function. So you just mix. Now we need to add a fragrance, which is lemongrass. Here, fragrance, lemongrass, as needed. Here we have 50 ml, but we don't need to use 50 ml. You can just apply some quantity. Wow, nice scent. And you have your preservative, which is table salt, just a pinch. And you mix. Now your soap is formed. Literally, some people use color, but for this class we don't need color. You can leave it like this. The color you see tomorrow will be slightly light yellow. Thank you for joining us in this class.